Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Enoch Tutorials. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also press the notification bell after watching so you can receive every bit of update from this channel. Today we're going to look at how you can carry out descriptive statistics in Excel using the Excel data analytics tool. So let's head straight into the Excel with data. So I have here a data of an examination score. So let me open it. And let's see how we can adopt the descriptive statistics to describe the data we have in the Excel. So here's the data of some students. We have here their index numbers coming. So we have here their index numbers. Those are the index numbers of the student. We have here their exam score, and this exam score was marked over 60. And when it's been converted to 60%, that is over 66, when it's being changed to 60, it's going to have a formula. So we generate this formula where we have all the scores here, like this B2. This one is the number in the cell B2 over 66 times 60. This one gives the actual amount, or let's say the actual value when it's being changed to 60. So you wanted this number to be expressed in 60, but we had it marked over 66. So to change it to 60, you have to just go by this formula. Then you drag that answer down to get all the values here being converted to 60. Now let's see how we can convert this, or let's see how we can use the data analytics to evaluate these values. Now basically Excel comes with its own data analytics tool that if you want to generate it, you have to just come to data here, then you see it. So here, when you go to data in every Excel toolbar, you're going to see at the right corner this side here, shown here as data analysis. In some Excel, especially if it is just freshly installed, this tab, or let's say this icon, does not appear. So for you to install it in an Excel ribbon, you have to just first go to the file menu. Then you go to options. When you go to options, then you search for add-ins. You click on add-ins. So when you click on add-in, then now you come here to analysis toolpack. So you click on analysis toolpack, then you click on OK. So if your own is not installed in your Excel, when you click on that, you are going to see the data analysis tool. Let's see the data analysis installed in your Excel ribbon. Now let's see here. Here is the values that you want to apply analysis to. So we have the scores of the student. You want to see how they performed by evaluating their means, their medians, the standard deviations to describe their various data or their various scores. So let's come here. Let's adjust these numbers to just one decimal place, or let's say yes, just one decimal place, or even two, or should we make it one? So let's make just one decimal place. So if you want to just change these numbers to one decimal place because there are many, you just come here, maybe to the nearby column, then you press in equal to, then you type in round up because you want to round it up to just a one decimal place. So you have here a round up. So here is the formula being given here. So your round up, then the number, comma, then the number of the decimal place you want to generate, you continue with it. So we have here the round up. You want to round up this number to just a particular defined number of decimal place, being it 0, 1, 2, or any other. So let's click on that cell. So the cell C2 contains this number, which is the first cell of your column. Then you type there, comma. Now you want to generate, let's say I just want to generate just one decimal place, so I'll just type there 1. If you want to generate just 2 or 3 or even 10, just type there 10. If you want to just make it a whole number, then just type in 0. So I want to just generate one decimal place. Then from here, when you add the digits, you close or you click on that is the close bracket. So you close the bracket. Then after, you just press the enter key. So this is the value of this one expressed to just one decimal place. Now if you want to generate this one also too, I want to generate the down values or the down numbers of data also in just one decimal place, you move your cursor to this side so it changes to plus. So when it changes to plus, it is by two alternatives. You can choose to just click and drag down, or you can just double click on that. So in my case, I'm going to just having changed this one to plus, you just double click, and this one is going to change all these values to just one decimal place as shown here. So all these values are being changed to one decimal place. So now let's see how you can apply the various data analysis to, or see how you can apply the descriptive statistics in Excel to describe this set of data. So here, this is the same thing you have here, the 60%. So you have the 60%, but just that is just in one decimal place, unlike the previous. So here, having gotten this one, let's see how we can find, or let's see, evaluate the descriptive statistics of this set of data. So having clicked on data already, you come to data analysis, you click on that. Then these are the data analysis tools you can use to evaluate a data in statistics. You can have the two-factor without replicate. You can have correlation. You can have covariance. You can have loss. You can have FT text. You can have histogram. You can have an over there. You can have the t-test. You can have sample. You can have regression. So a lot of them. So I just want to do the descriptive statistics of this data. So I will just click on this one. So it gives me a pop-up menu. The first here is the range. The input range is the column or the range of values that you want to express or you want to just evaluate or describe with the data analysis tool. So I want to describe the range from here to down. So I will just click, hold, and drag down the set of values that contains, or let's say the cells that contain my values I want to evaluate. So I move it down to the last digit, or say the last number, then you close. So selected here is the range of values that you want to analyze using the data analysis tools. So the first one here too, you have labels. So you just check the labels in the first row because I have a value in the first row. So you click on that. Now we have the input option, also the output option. So of course, Excel will give you a default output portion in always a new worksheet. So we just check that. It's already checked. Now you come here, we have the summary statistics because you also want to summarize the statistics of this data. Now you check this one. Next, you move to dedicate larger, which is the, of course, if you have every range of data, Excel can give you the largest and the smallest value. So you check that one too. You check the largest and the smallest. So now you move in here, all as so you have how you want the values to be oriented. If you want the values to be oriented in a column, you check that. If you want it to be in a row, you check that. So after selecting all these things, then you click OK. So now shown here is a descriptive statistics of the set of data. So I have here my mean of the data. I have the standard error of the data. I have the median of my data. I have the mode of my, I have the standard deviation of my data. I have the sample variance of my data. I have the skewness. I have the range. I have the minimum value. I have the maximum value. I have the sum of all my data. Then I have on my counts. The count is how many a set of data or how many numbers are in the data. So this one is just the easiest way of generating, or let's say describing a value data in an Excel using the data analytics tool. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section so we can get linked up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.